Acrimony, a powerful IELTS vocabulary word. Explain. Imagine a heated debate between politicians, their faces red with anger, hurling insults at each other. This scene perfectly illustrates today's advanced IELTS vocabulary word, acrimony. Word type: acrimony is a noun. It's pronounced as ac-ra-mo-ni, meaning acrimony refers to bitterness, animosity, or ill feeling, especially in a dispute or disagreement. It describes a situation where there's a sharp, often verbal, conflict between people or groups characterized by deep-seated resentment or anger. Word history: the word acrimony has its roots in Latin. It comes from the Latin word acrimonia, which means sharpness or bitterness. This Latin term is derived from acre, meaning sharp or pungent. The word entered the English language in the early 16th century, retaining its essence of bitterness or sharpness in conflict. Antonyms: some antonyms of acrimony include harmony, goodwill, amity, and cordiality. These words represent the opposite of the bitter feelings associated with acrimony. Synonyms: synonyms for acrimony include hostility, resentment, animosity, bitterness, rancor, and vitriol. These words all convey a sense of intense negativity in interpersonal or group relations. Examples used in sentences: the divorce proceedings were marked by such acrimony that the judge had to repeatedly call for order in the courtroom. Despite years of acrimony between the two nations, their leaders finally agreed to sit down for peace talks. The company's board meeting descended into acrimony when the CEO proposed cutting employee benefits. The political debate was conducted with surprising civility, free from the acrimony that often characterizes such events. Common errors in use: one common mistake is confusing acrimony with acerbic. While both relate to sharpness or bitterness, acerbic is an adjective describing a sharp or biting quality, especially in speech or writing. Acrimony, on the other hand, is a noun describing a state of bitter animosity. Another error is using acrimony to describe a mild disagreement. Remember, acrimony implies a deep-seated, intense negativity, not just a simple difference of opinion. Lastly, some learners mistakenly use acrimony as an adjective. For example, saying an acrimony debate is incorrect. Instead, you should say an acrimonious debate. Mastering words like acrimony can significantly enhance your vocabulary for the IELTS exam, helping you achieve that coveted band score of 8.0. By understanding its nuances and using it accurately, you'll demonstrate a sophisticated command of English in both your speaking and writing tasks.